Welcome to our 5 on 5. Pleased to be joined by Steve Erb, the Chief Banking Officer of People's Bank, as well as CEO Ken Trautman of People's Bank. Gentlemen, thanks for being here today.
Well, Appreciate it.
All right, so Ken, let me start with you. You guys are expanding in Southern Oregon, but first, give us an idea of who People's Bank is.
Well, People's Bank, this is our 20th anniversary this year. Actually, March 2nd, we celebrated it. We've got 6 branches today. We've got 2 in Medford on Biddle and Barnett. We've got Grants Pass, Ashland, Central Point, and now Klamath Falls.
Okay, very exciting. And one of the something that's a popular road, Steve, Biddle Road. You guys have this beautiful new branch coming up. Is that a sign of the positivity right now at People's?
Oh, absolutely, Craig. You know, again, Ken mentioned we're 20 years in business. We've been growing so doggone much lately. We had to expand our footprint so we could house all of our support staff, our administrative function. So we had an opportunity to buy that piece of land that used to be the Murray Calendar site, and we're building a 20,000 square foot 3-story building, kind of revitalizing that area. It's going to house, again, all of our administrative, our back shop, and our Biddle Road branch, which will be relocating from just down the road on Biddle.
Okay, all right. And Ken, is there a certain couple things you can point to that's helping People's have this kind of growth?
Well, you know, we got through one of the worst recessions we've had in a long time a few years ago, and the bank was well positioned going into the recession and coming out of it. And so we've been taking advantage of a lot of disruption in the marketplace. There have been a lot of mergers of our regional banks, some closures of our other community banks. I think as of Friday, there's 13 state chartered community banks left in Oregon, and we're one of them. So it's been a good time. Actually, a very good economy right now, and the bank is well positioned for some more growth.
Okay, we're going to take a quick commercial break. We'll have much more in a moment. Stay with us. Welcome back to our 5 on 5. Again, we're here with Steve Erb and Ken Trautman from People's Bank. So, Ken, I want to ask you, the tax cuts the GOP passed recently, are those making an impact at People's Bank? You
know, they really are. Our board of directors met this last month and took advantage of what the tax cuts did for our bank. And we were able to raise the minimum starting wage for all our employees to $14 an hour. We provided one-time bonuses to all of our non-executive staff, ranging from $500 to $2,000, depending on how long they've been with us. Then we're going to start a foundation, the People's Bank Foundation, to deal with nonprofits and community need events going on, and really maybe help some of our employees also when they have special needs coming up. So we're putting that money to use local. So
interesting. Okay, and like the idea of the foundation. You never know where that money can go, but there's a lot of need, of course.
We do. We've got a very generous community, and our employees, our shareholders, our directors, all give a lot of money to the community, and this is a way to kind of funnel that in and hit those projects they really have a lot of passion about.
Okay, and Steve, you guys just released your new numbers, your annual numbers. Can you give us an idea what those look like?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, last year was a really good year for us, Craig. We grew our earnings, our pre-tax earnings, by about 35% year over year. That's significant. Gives us an opportunity to reinvest in our community. At that same time, we grew loans by about $35 million. We have a lot of folks coming to talk to us now. Market disruption, things that are, and business expansion in the Rogue Valley. The bellwether for us is how customers come to us and trust us with their deposits, and we grew deposits by about $27 million last year. So all things are looking really good at People's Bank right now.
Okay, and we talked before about expansion and how you guys are doing that. Can you give us an idea of what that looks like?
Yeah, you know, I think there's 2 things that are really notable for us. Last year, we had an opportunity to acquire a company called Capital Associates that does business as Steelhead Finance. It's a financial factoring company that specializes in the trucking industry. We added that company to our bank last year. I think it was at the end of August. And we were able to retain all the jobs. They have about 35 folks. And so we're actually going to expand their employee base. So we're real excited about that. This year, we actually opened our branch in Klamath Falls in early January, meeting the needs of the Klamath Basin customers. You know, they've been pretty hard hit by banks leaving their community, and so they've been clamoring for a community bank, and so we took advantage of that and are over there and being received really well. We're really excited about being in Klamath County now.
Very nice. And you talked before, I think maybe before we began, you're just about a month away from the Biddle Road location.
Yeah, early April will mark our opening. We have big plans. Our marketing folks are working because it was the old Marie Callender site, our intention is to serve Marie Callender pie on our grand opening.
There you go.
You can thank Ken for that. He was
Thank you, Ken.
instrumental.
One of my favorite
Speak
pies.
for the people here.
Yeah, it's a good time for us right now, and our employees are very grateful for the things that Ken mentioned with the Tax Reduction Act. So, yeah, good times.
Lot happening. Very exciting. Well, it's good to see you. Thank you for being here. Appreciate
Appreciate it, Craig.
Well, thank you.
Ken. Appreciate it. Stay with us. We'll be right back.